the Commissioner for Health. The speech I'm about to read belongs to the Commissioner for Health at Edo State. So anything I read, I'm reading it on her behalf. She would have wished to ask the special guest of honor for this commissioning of Olige PHC Center. That she brings you greetings from the Comrade Governor of Edo State, Comrade Adams Aliyu Oshiomhole, for this laudable program of bringing effective medical services to the people of Olige and environs. That these people represent the majority of our people that live and work in the rural communities. And in fact, they are about 60 to 70% of our population. And that any effort spent to bring health services to our people wherever they are must be commended. So Edo State government therefore highly commends the joint effort of T.Y. Danjuma Foundation and Women's Health and Action Research Center WAC for this laudable project. She also says that governance today is majorly about people, and that the Edo State government welcomes good public-private partnership like the one we are commissioning today. That the Edo State government does not claim to have all the resources needed to serve our people. Hence, government's readiness to work with ready and willing partners such as yours. The Edo State government currently operates 530 PHC centers spread across the 18 local government areas of the state. The state government has employed 2 medical doctors for each local government council. This is to enhance efficient service delivery at our PHC centers. The vision of the government is to provide each ward with at least a PHC center, so as to bring health care to the doorstep of our people. Edo State is about the only state in the Federation that is in the forefront in the prevention and early diagnosis of breast, cervical, and prostate cancers. This service is currently available in PHC centers in 8 local government areas of the state. The goal of government is to extend this service to the remaining 10 local government areas of the state in the shortest possible time. All these efforts are being made because government believes that effective and efficient PHC system with our people to make every effort to protect the vandalization of this center. The centers must be expanded. In fact, they have been expanded to include 1, antenatal care and delivery by state data standards. Number 2, we have a free routine immunization of infants and pregnant women. There is medical care of under 5 children with common childhood ailments such as diarrhea, vomiting, and malaria. We also have newborn care. There is the diagnosis and the prevention of non-communicable diseases such as hypertension and diabetes mellitus. Our PHC centers also render free supplemental campaigns such as the National Immunization Plus Days, as well as the Maternal, Neonatal, and Child Health Week, which is usually held in May and November of every year. Our centers are currently providing free family planning services. We are also initiating free HIV screening and counseling in some of our PHC centers. What this is telling us is that our PHC centers will have gone beyond vaccination of women and children. They are now actually functioning as hospitals at the primary level. That is the first hospital you will step into. And from there you get to the secondary level, and from there you get to the tertiary level. And this emphasis has been made by all the previous speakers today. That this center is not just for pregnant women only, although that may be the Population Research Center. Wow. For the execution of this laudable project. I wish you well in all your future endeavors as you reach out to our people. Thank you and God bless. Honorable Commissioner for Edo State.
Speaking on behalf of the Executive Governor of Edo State, Comrade Adams Oshiomhole, strokes.
September 1st, 2008.
Very snappy, Commissioner for this state, to declare this PHC open in the name of God.